One thing about me, I'll give you an honest review. Don't question my integrity. 3 boba, actually 6 boba, but the company is FS Boba. Did they send this to me for free? Yes. Did I tell them that if it's bad, I'm going to tell them it's bad? Yes. Oh, it smells good. Okay. No cap. This is actually really good. I don't think I'm going to like this one because I never liked hojicha. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's so good. Wait. That's actually pretty good. I literally sell boba, and I think that boba drink was better than mine. Ooh. This is good too. I like that it's already pre-sweetened. These two, 10 out of 10 recommend. Only thing I'm kind of confused about is that it says that there's bouncy crystal boba in it, and there isn't. Oh, is that why they gave me a straw? That one has really good boba. This is really good. Second best, don't get this one.